Hi, hello, post editing Kayla coming at you guys. I moisturized the curls. I'm actually on bed rest right now because I'm half hearing. Baby, it's been about a week since I got back from the beach and I have something called swimmer's ear. Basically, when you go swimming and you get water trapped in your ear canal, it can cause a lot of like inflammation. The fluid gets stuck in your ear and it becomes very like sensitive and it hurts. Baby, it hurts. I thought, oh, this thing will go away. It's been about a week, so I took my butt to the doctor yesterday and they gave me some ear drops with some sort of steroid to kill the bacteria, and then they gave me an antibiotic, which I don't love for me because I know it's gonna kill my gut health. So I'm gonna have to go do a whole reset once this infection is gone because my gut health is going to be shot. But that's for another video, another day. I just wanted to come at you guys because I wasn't feeling too good to be on camera. I really just wanted to focus this video on the foods that I'm eating, and the fact that I'm like half hearing doesn't really help. Like, I feel like I'm yelling at you guys, but I didn't want to have a whole vlog where you don't see my face because that's a little odd. But now you guys know what's going on with me, so hopefully this thing will go away within a week from now because I'm struggling. Girl, hurts so bad. But anyway, I wanted to mention something so exciting is EHP Labs is, why am I yelling? EHP Labs is doing one of their biggest sales of the year, which is so amazing. I love a deal. I love a sale. I love saving my coins. And you guys know I absolutely am obsessed with supplements. I'm a supplement junkie. I love a good protein powder. I'm obsessed with my creatine. I love a good greens powder. Like, I just can't go to the gym without a pre-workout. Like, I just love my supplements. I love trying new flavors out. So if you have been wanting to try some of my favorite supplements, you've wanted to stock up on your favorites, you wanted to start introducing supplements into your routine, baby, now is the perfect time while you can get such a huge discount. So make sure you guys go over there and check out the links below. You can use my code K10 at checkout to save on your order, and let me know if you guys end up picking up anything, and I want to see what you guys are getting. I know you guys are loving the blessed protein and the creatine because I see your DMs all the time, so thank you guys so much for choosing to use my code and support your girl. I love putting you guys on to the things that I love and use every single day. So today's eating is just going to be intuitive eating because that's how I've been eating for the past 2 months, and I haven't really been lugging my food, tracking my food. Baby, it's just been all about the vibes, and I'm actually cooking. Baby girl is actually cooking, so I'm super excited for you dolls to see some fun recipes that I'll be definitely incorporating in the rest of my meals moving forward, and I think you guys are going to really like them as well. I just listen to my body, keep my protein intake pretty high, and obviously I keep it super simple because nobody has the time to be in the kitchen for an hour every single meal. Baby, I don't. So I will leave you guys here. Again, sorry that I'm not really in the footage. Let me know though in the comments if you prefer just seeing the food, or do you also like the what I eat in a days where also is like a mini vlog as well? Because that I'd be curious. Sometimes I just want to watch the food, see what the girl is eating, and keep it pushing. So I get it. So let me know what you guys prefer in the comments below. Thumbs up if you guys would like to see more what I eat in a day videos. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye! Good morning! Started my morning out with a little walk around the neighborhood with Leroy. Already burned 100 calories. And it's 9 a.m. and I'm just making my whipped coffee right now with instant coffee, some brown organic sugar, and I'm gonna add some cinnamon, ice, and oat milk to this. So it's only 10 o'clock, you guys, and I'm craving something savory, not necessarily breakfast food. So I'm gonna try and attempt to make some fish tacos. This is from Trader Joe's. They are dairy-free fried Alaskan cod. So I don't know if this is gonna be good. I was looking for something more on like a beer battered side, but most of those do contain dairy at the market. So we're gonna try this out and hope for the best. So I'm gonna make this super simple. How long do I need to heat the oven? I don't know. I'm gonna make this and then I'll show you guys the toppings. Y'all know how to do tacos. I just wanted to try something different and I'll let you guys know if I like this combination. So here's what the fish looks like. That's gonna bake for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I've got some corn tortillas. I'm just gonna make these soft and not fried. Got some hot sauce from Trader Joe's, some slaw, and of course some fresh lime. I did not pick up freaking avocado, but that would have been amazing, and cilantro, but I don't have that. So we're gonna do what we can do with the ingredients that we have. And I wanted to see if I can make some sort of like an aioli. I don't even know what the heck is in an aioli. So I'm gonna go on Google and see if I have the ingredients to do something like that. Yo, why is it every time I try to find a recipe, it's always a blog post with hecka ads and so much text? Baby, just show me the ingredients. All I do to soften my tortillas is wrap them in like a damp paper towel and then I'll microwave it for 45 seconds. This way they can get nice and fresh. They'll start to smell so good. So anyway, those Googles were not helpful, so I think I might just try something like a combo of some mayonnaise, some lime juice, some hot sauce, kind of make it like a coleslaw, but oop, not really. So we're gonna experiment today, honey. So I'm gonna do like 4 tacos. I think I can get enough out of that. So I've got some lime juice. I'm gonna put some pink salt in there. I'm gonna throw, let's see, got some mayonnaise. I don't really like mayonnaise like that. That's why I have this little tiny one. How the heck do you open this? This looks disgusting, but it might slap. Oh my god, it's so liquidy. But look, we got the color right. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Honestly, it's not bad. It's kind of tangy from the lemon and then spicy from the hot sauce. Looking like it's time to eat again. I've just turned my oven on 400 just to preheat a little bit because we're going to be making these pita pocket pizzas. I've never made these before, but I'm hoping that they are so good. So these are a dairy-free brand that I came across at Wegmans. You could use whatever toppings you like. I'm trying out this Rayo's pizza sauce, also dairy-free. I've got some Dea mozzarella, which is a vegan cheese. Pepperoni and mushroom is going to be my topping for today. So I think I'm just going to do one. I'm not sure how hungry I am. I'm just in and out of editing and uploading videos. So those tacos I made earlier, like I'm still hungry. I don't know, but that feels like that was a while ago. So I got one of these flatbreads, and this has 15 grams of protein, which I thought was pretty cool. So hopefully this is good. I've done like a tortilla pizza before that was inspired from TikTok, and that was nice. So I'm thinking this will be a nice little crust, and it'll keep us pretty full. Oh, I love pizza sauce, so I'm gonna be pretty generous with that. Comment below, what are your favorite pizza toppings? Mine are like olives and mushrooms and onion, and I love all the meats. But I thought I would just keep it pretty simple. Spinach is also really good as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go OD on the sauce. This cheese is also really good. It melts down really nice. And because I'm eating intuitively, I'm not going to be weighing out or measuring anything. I've been doing this intuitive eating for 2 months now just because I've been too lazy to freaking log everything. So, get that cheese on there. And then for my pepperoni, I tried to look for like the mini pizza pepperonis at the deli, but they didn't have any. So we're gonna have to just use these like sandwich slices, but hey, it's all gonna be eaten anyway, right? I don't know how should I tear it? I don't know, girl, but I'm about to load up on the pepperoni. I love pepperoni. So it's not gonna look the prettiest, but it's gonna taste good. Sorry if you can hear my dog. He's like trying to shake his food out of the feeder or whatever. Anyway, that doesn't look the most appetizing, but it'll get the job done. Mushroom and pepperoni pizza. That's so random, but I'm not even mad. That's my interesting combo of a pizza. I'll put some spices on it once it's baked. So I'm just gonna guesstimate and bake it for, I don't know, girl, 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and then we'll be right back. Smelling so good already. It's definitely gonna need maybe a little bit longer than 10 minutes. Looks and smells really good. So I put the thing on broil for 2 minutes because it wasn't getting melted or hot enough for the mushrooms to like be cooked. So maybe 450 would be a better temperature because it was in there for a good 15 minutes. So I'm just hoping it's crispy at the bottom, but I guess we shall see. So for the toppings, I'm gonna add some garlic powder, basil, and maybe some of this ghost chili. It's very spicy, so a little bit definitely goes a long way. Yeah, don't judge my cutting skills, but it's not crispy at the bottom like I was hoping it would be, so maybe I should have left it in a little bit longer or cooked it at a higher temperature because it's like soft, but it also is pita, so I don't know. Or maybe put oil at the bottom of the pan. Girl, I don't know. This was my first time making it, so hopefully it's good because it smells good. Yeah, that slaps. It tastes way better than what it looks like, that's for sure. Oh my god, how many times am I going to drop my freaking vlog today? So I literally just ate that pizza and I'm still hungry. So I want something fruity and icy and cold and sweet. So I was like, let me make my protein shake, because when I'm not tracking, at least I'll know that I'm getting my protein in. So let's add the basic ingredients. I make this smoothie literally all the time, so you guys already know the vibes. I love eating blueberries. They're so good for your skin. So add a bunch of those. And we've got these honey graham crackers. I'm just gonna do 1 sheet. It really brings out that blueberry pie taste, like that crust, pie crust flavor. And it will add some extra calories. And then I'm gonna do 1.5 scoops of my blessed blueberry pie, which is a vegan protein, and I am literally almost out of this. So I'm definitely going to need to order some more. They're doing a huge summer sale right now, which is insane because biggest sale ever, like up to 60% off. And if you use my code K10, you get additional savings on top of the sale already, which is insane. So it's a perfect time to try something new, stock up on all your favorites, try my favorites. So So I'll put the link for that below. And I might have filled this up a little too much. I did add some water in here as well. You guys know I like it to be nice. We're just gonna blend it all up. Gotta put the straw in there. Cheers, you guys. This is literally my favorite thing ever. Your girl's back in the kitchen. I really didn't want this video to be super long, hence why I'm just focusing on the food itself for this video. So I have some chicken breast that's already cooked. Love that for me. So all I have to do is prepare my sides. So I'm definitely craving some mashed potatoes. I love getting like these instant potatoes. They're really quick, taste amazing, and I add oat milk to them and vegan butter to make them dairy free. And then this asparagus looked so, I don't know what it is about asparagus, but when it's fat like this, oh, it's so good to be hitting. So I'm going to rinse this off, and I decided to saute it instead of roasting it. So I'm going to add some avocado oil, pink salt, and black pepper to this and saute it for my sides. And I think I'm going to have enough food to have 2 meals. So I'll make dinner for tonight, and then I'll have something left over for tomorrow. Just a small little meal prep so I don't have to cook a whole nother meal then. So that's what I have going off over here. For the instant potatoes, you just boil some salt, butter, and water, and then turn off the heat, add in your milk. Oat milk is what I have. And then the potatoes. So love that. Super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and get this pan nice and hot so that I can do my veggies. And again, I'm using, oh, I'm sorry, I don't have avocado oil. This is olive oil. I need to go buy some avocado oil. Love a sauteed veg. I'm just happy that I'm craving a vegetable. This is honestly and truly a miracle. And I don't know about my veggies or about you guys, but I really just like to keep it simple with salt and pepper. I don't like a lot of seasoning on some things. I like plain food. I think because I have to eat so much in a day that I get sick of too many flavors in my body. I don't know, weird. But you can see this is already boiling, so I'm going to turn that off. Cooks really fast. Put my milk in. And there we go, we have 2 meals. I'm gonna add some honey. I love honey on my chicken. The sweet and the savory is just so good. And then I'm also going to have an Olipop. I'm having the vintage cola one tonight. So excited about this. So this is just such a quick meal that you guys can make at home. Whatever vegetable you guys are feeling, and then whatever sides. I'll typically do mashed potatoes or rice for my carb choice. Okay, 15-minute meal. Rachel ran her 30 minutes, has nothing on me. I'm gonna let this cool before I pop it in the fridge, but wow, it smells amazing. So bon appetit.